What comes to mind when you think of MicroStrategy, a software company, a Bitcoin whale, or both? Well, the inception of MicroStrategy takes us back to the year 1989. Founded by Michael J. Saylor and Sanju Bansal, it started as a software company providing business intelligence, mobile software, and cloud-based services. Over the years, MicroStrategy has managed to establish itself as a leading player in the tech industry. But that's only half the story. The company made some significant strides, forging key partnerships with prominent brands. It's not just about the tech world. Take McDonald's, for instance. The fast food giant partnered with MicroStrategy, leveraging its software to analyze business trends and customer preferences. And they're not alone. Many other global brands have also tapped into MicroStrategy's cutting-edge solutions, driving their business growth. But as we moved into the third decade of the 21st century, MicroStrategy began to stir the waters in an entirely different realm, the world of cryptocurrency. In 2020, the company made headlines with a strategic decision that would mark a new chapter in its story. They started accumulating Bitcoin, a lot of it, marking a significant shift in their investment strategy. This move was not just about diversification, it was a bold statement of belief in the potential of Bitcoin. They saw it not just as a digital currency, but as an asset class that could hold its value and even appreciate over time. And boy, were they right. Today in 2024, MicroStrategy owns at least 1% of all Bitcoin in circulation. That's over 214,000 Bitcoins, a quarter of which were acquired in this year alone. This massive accumulation has not only bolstered their financial footing, but also positioned them as one of the biggest Bitcoin whales in the market. From a software company to a major player in the crypto world, MicroStrategy's journey is nothing short of incredible. But hold on to your seats, because the story doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of a fascinating tale of technology, strategy, and a whole lot of Bitcoin. Now let's meet the visionary who steers the ship at MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor, the man at the helm of MicroStrategy, is a character that's as fascinating as the company he leads. A seasoned entrepreneur, Saylor co-founded MicroStrategy in 1989 and has since served as its CEO and chairman of the board, guiding the company through decades of innovation and growth. Saylor isn't just a savvy business leader though. He's also one of the biggest Bitcoin whales in the crypto ocean. His interest in Bitcoin was sparked in 2020, and since then, he has been a staunch advocate of the cryptocurrency. Beginning in 2020, MicroStrategy started buying Bitcoin in large quantities. These purchases were financed through collateralized loans, a strategic move that enabled the company to increase its Bitcoin holdings without depleting its cash reserves. Today, MicroStrategy owns at least 1% of all Bitcoin in circulation. That's a whopping 214,246 Bitcoins out of the approximately 19.7 million currently in existence. In 2024 alone, MicroStrategy has acquired nearly a quarter of its Bitcoin holdings. This aggressive accumulation strategy is a testament to Saylor's unwavering belief in Bitcoin's value proposition. To him, Bitcoin isn't just a digital asset, it's digital gold, a means to preserve wealth amidst the uncertainties of the financial landscape. Saylor's bullish stance on Bitcoin has not gone unnoticed. His advocacy for cryptocurrency adoption has influenced not only MicroStrategy's trajectory, but also the broader crypto market. His conviction has even drawn the attention of banks, particularly central banks, who are beginning to see Bitcoin's potential as a reserve asset. With Saylor at the helm, MicroStrategy has navigated uncharted waters in the crypto world. His vision for Bitcoin's role in the global economy is bold, and his commitment to hodling is unwavering. As we delve deeper into the implications of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy, we'll see how Saylor's influence extends beyond the company and shapes the future of the crypto market. So, how does a software company become one of the biggest Bitcoin holders? Let's dive into MicroStrategy's Bitcoin accumulation strategy. In the year 2020, MicroStrategy took a leap into the world of digital currencies. The decision was not a casual investment, but a strategic shift in the company's treasury reserve policy. Instead of holding cash, which can depreciate over time due to inflation, they started buying Bitcoin, a digital asset that Michael Saylor, the company's CEO, often refers to as digital gold. And they didn't just buy a few Bitcoins. They bought massively, and they did so with an unequal financing strategy. Instead of using their existing cash reserves, they primarily financed their purchases through collateralized loans. This strategy allowed them to acquire more Bitcoin without depleting their cash reserves or diluting shareholder value. Fast forward to 2024, and MicroStrategy's Bitcoin portfolio is nothing short of impressive. The company now holds more than 214,000 Bitcoins. To put that in perspective, that's over 1% of all Bitcoins currently in circulation. And this year alone, they've added a significant portion to their holdings, with nearly a quarter of their Bitcoin acquisitions happening in 2024. But it's not just about the numbers. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin accumulation strategy is a bold statement in the world of digital currencies. It's a testament to their belief in Bitcoin's potential as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a key player in the future of finance. By taking this path, MicroStrategy has positioned itself at the forefront of corporate Bitcoin adoption. They've shown other companies and institutions that it's possible to embrace Bitcoin, not just as an investment, but as a strategic reserve asset. And in doing so, they've become a beacon for others to follow. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin accumulation strategy is not just about numbers, it's a bold statement in the world of digital currencies. MicroStrategy's significant Bitcoin reserves are not just a company asset, they could shape the future of cryptocurrency. MicroStrategy's massive Bitcoin holdings could have a profound impact on the broader crypto market. By holding over 214,000 Bitcoins, the company has become a significant player in the crypto space. The sheer volume of Bitcoin owned by MicroStrategy has the potential to influence market dynamics, including Bitcoin's scarcity and price. Michael Saylor, the company's executive chairman, is a strong advocate for Bitcoin. He views the cryptocurrency as a global store of value, similar to how gold has been viewed historically. In Saylor's perspective, Bitcoin presents a unique opportunity to preserve wealth and combat inflation. This belief stems from the digital scarcity of Bitcoin, as there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. Saylor's vision extends beyond just MicroStrategy. He believes that Bitcoin could replace traditional stores of value, such as gold, in the future, into. This is a revolutionary idea that could dramatically shift the dynamics of global wealth and asset management. If Saylor's vision comes to fruition, we could see a global transition from traditional assets to digital ones. In the current economic cycle, with inflation concerns on the rise, Saylor sees Bitcoin as the only viable solution to preserve value. His expectation is that the Federal Reserve will start putting the money printers back on in 2025, further devaluing traditional currencies. In contrast, Bitcoin's finite supply could serve as a safeguard against such inflationary pressures. The unwavering commitment of Saylor and MicroStrategy to hodling Bitcoin could potentially influence other companies and investors to follow suit. This could lead to increased institutional adoption and public awareness of Bitcoin's value proposition. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin reserves and Saylor's advocacy could be game changers in the crypto world. As more entities look to hedge against inflation and seek alternative stores of value, MicroStrategy's significant Bitcoin reserves and Saylor's steadfast belief in the cryptocurrency could serve as a beacon, guiding the way towards a new era of digital asset management. Like any bold strategy, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin accumulation comes with its own set of risks and rewards. When we talk about potential risks, we're looking at a number of factors. For one, the company's stock performance is closely tied to Bitcoin's performance. This means that dramatic fluctuations in the value of Bitcoin could have a significant impact on the company's stock price. And let's face it, Bitcoin is known for its volatility. While it has seen a meteoric rise in value over the past few years, it has also experienced substantial drops. This volatility brings with it a level of uncertainty. Moreover, there's the regulatory environment to consider. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Any significant changes could potentially affect the value of Bitcoin and, by extension, MicroStrategy's investment. But it's not all doom and gloom. The rewards could be substantial. MicroStrategy is now one of the major players in the Bitcoin market. This places them in a strong position to benefit from future increases in Bitcoin's value. Moreover, by adopting Bitcoin so wholeheartedly, MicroStrategy could be influencing other companies to do the same, potentially driving up demand, and as a result, the price of Bitcoin. Despite potential risks, Saylor's plan to hodl reflects his unwavering belief in the future of Bitcoin. The company doesn't measure its Bitcoin allocation in fiat terms, but in Bitcoin terms, reinforcing their commitment to the cryptocurrency. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how this strategy plays out. As we wrap up, remember that in the world of crypto, the only constant is change. We've journeyed through MicroStrategy's evolution, Michael Saylor's visionary leadership, and the company's bold Bitcoin strategy. We've also delved into the potential impacts and risks of their approach. This dynamic narrative continues to unfold, influencing not only MicroStrategy but the wider crypto market. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of crypto.